Coach, I need advice. May nililigawan ako at nagpadala ako pera worth 30,000 pesos. May assurance po, kaso tanong ko kung may mental problem ba ako na mabilis magtiwala ako? Oh my God, bro. Nililigawan mo palang nagpahiram ka na kagad ng pera. Not to mention it's 30,000 pesos, bro. Bro, that's huge. Yung iba dyan, nagbibigay ng regalo sa mga nililigawan nila. And I adamantly tell them to not do that. Pero ikaw, you took it to another level, sigarilyo. 30,000 pesos is a lot of money. Kahit sabihin natin na pinairam mo lang, still, mga sigarilyo, lagi kong sinasabi sa inyo na huwag kayong magbibigay ng regalo. Let alone magpahiram ng malaking halagang pera sa mga nililigawan nyo pa lang. Because it will come off as a bribe for sex. And in your case, sigarilyo, you better watch out kasi baka piniperahan ka lang yan. I'm not saying that it is your intention. I'm just saying na it could be a possibility. Sa tanong mo naman na baka may mental problem ka kasi mabilis ka magtiwala, well, to be honest, I'm not a mental health expert, ano? But what I can see is you are head over heels in love with this person. Kaya mo nagawa yun. Huwag ka mag-alala, nagawa ko na rin yan like many years ago when I was a simpa. Meron akong super bet na girl dati sa office and sinabi niya sa akin na nawala daw yung phone niya. And I actually contemplated to give her a replacement phone. And I was about to do it din. Pero luckily, nakapag-isip-isip ako ng mabuti and said to myself na, yeah, I think that's a bit too much. Mga sigarilyo, huwag kayong magpapakatanga pagdating sa babae. Because if you do, in the long run, you will be taken advantage of. Trust me on this. Ang dami nang nabiktima niyan sa totoo lang. Yung iba pa nga OFW pa. Nagpapadala sila sa mga babae or sa mga lalaki na ka-chat lang nila dito sa Pilipinas. Tapos yung iba, life savings pa nila yung binibigay nila. Bakit? Kasi they are head over heels in love with that person. Malakas talaga makatangang pag-ibig sa totoo lang. Kaya what you guys should do is smarten up. Kaya moving forward na lang sigarilyo, no, na lagi mong tatandaan na wala ka dapat binibigay na regalo sa mga nililigawan nyo pa lang. Masking teddy bear, flowers, cake, etc. I really feel the reason kung bakit ka mabilis magtiwala sa kanya is because you are head over heels in love with her. And you might be thinking na by lending her that much money, makakascore ka ng pogi points sa kanya. Hindi ganyan ang basis ng attraction, brother. Attraction is not a choice. It's already set by nature. Wala na tayong magagawa dyan, no? Kasi napairam mo na nga. Kung bayaran ka, then good. Huwag mo na lang gawin ulit yon. Let this be the last time that you do that. And this goes to all of you sigarilyo dyan, ha? Please lang. Well, I hope nakatulong ako sa inyo and follow for more. And if you guys want to get my help personally, the quickest way is for you to book a one-on-one phone coaching session with me. You can do that by clicking the link in my bio if you're on TikTok. Pero kung nasa YouTube ka naman, the link is in the description box below. Peace.